On social media these days, we see it all the time. Someone will say something, and then someone else will say something. Then, all of a sudden, a fight breaks out. Almost always, neither side achieves any genuine progress as a result of this. And, more crucially, neither side bothers to try to comprehend the person with whom they're disputing. This occurrence reveals a decline in our ability to think critically and engage in civil discourse with one another. A genuine attempt to put our biases aside and make sure we grasp what we're hearing is often missing in these and many other interactions. There are a few things to think about that can help you enhance your critical thinking skills and ensure that you're engaging with others honestly. Let's start with biases. I have them, and you have them as well. They're why the same political statement can have such vastly different connotations for my brother-in-law and me. We literally hear things differently. However, biases have an impact on your ability to critically engage in more ways than politics. They can also impair your ability to hear what your coworkers are saying or what you could overhear in private talks. Biases can come from a number of places. Some are a result of your upbringing. Others are based on your life experiences. Others are influenced by our personality. Whether we plan to or not, we interpret others' behaviors and utterances through these prejudices. To identify and prevent biases from influencing your interpretations, follow these 3 steps. Do some self-reflection first. This should always begin with self-reflection, in which you examine those instances in which you misjudged someone and try to understand why. It should entail having open and honest discussions with people you trust. It may also entail conducting assessments to discover biases and other viewpoints. After that, set aside some time before any crucial conversations to intentionally try to put your preconceptions aside. Don't make any assumptions about what an employee is saying the next time they come in. Maintain a neutral stance until you have all of the facts. The next step is to urge oneself to see things from other angles. You can accomplish this by asking yourself, how would I argue for anything if I thought the opposite of what I believe now? You're more likely to obtain a better knowledge of the issue and be better at avoiding biases if you try to put yourself in diverse perspectives. Another crucial aspect of this picture is to double-check your comprehension. This is related to avoiding biases, but the emphasis here is on ensuring you have a complete understanding of the subject. The goal of this phase is to actively engage with the person or the topic. Use some of these techniques to help you clarify your thoughts on the subject. Ask for or give examples, or restate another position in your own words. Alternatively, try to summarize the major aspects of the discussion, or present your viewpoint to a trusted friend and solicit comments. These things can also be done when sharing your thoughts or clarifying your thoughts before engaging. Can you express your key idea in a single, succinct sentence? Can you provide further examples to back up your primary point? Or, alternatively, can you provide an analogy to emphasize your major point? A solid awareness of oneself and the topic at hand is a necessary basis for critical thinking and effective collaboration. So next time you find yourself typing a witty reply in that comment box, take a moment to ask yourself some of the questions you learned in this lesson.